smarter, England or Australia? With Australia dominating the Ashes this year, we thought we'd give England a chance at revenge with an end-of-year battle of the analyst quiz. Our lead analyst in England, Chris Beecham, takes on our lead analyst down under, Tony Sycamore. Which US regulatory body must approve major mergers and acquisitions, such as the Paramount-Warner Brothers Discovery deal, to ensure they do not violate antitrust laws?
Is it the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission?
I'd like to get off the mark today by answering the Federal Trade Commission and the Department of Justice being the two US regulatory bodies in the US responsible for mergers.
In 2025, which sector of the S&P 500 reacted most strongly to changes in Fed interest rate expectations?
This is a trick question because I know the tech sector has done very well this year again, but for me, if we're trying to specifically identify the two sectors that have done well due to more dovish Federal Reserve rate cut expectations, it would have to be either the real estate sector or the financial sector.
Something like tech, so sort of growthy sectors, tech and consumer discretionary, that kind of thing. Does that work?
What is the name of the US tariff policy used to protect domestic industries by imposing import duties on specific countries or products?
They are most commonly referring to Section 301 tariffs.
You'd think I'd know this after this year, wouldn't you? Section 301?
For how many months did the FTSE 100 outperform the S&P 500 this year?
That's almost impossible. I don't know, 6.
I do know that the FTSE and the S&P have had exceptional years, but I'm not sure the exact answer to this question. I'm guessing perhaps 2 months at most where the FTSE has outperformed.
And the correct answer is for 10 months, except in January and mid-September to early October and towards the end of December. Which of these countries had the most stable government in 2025? France, Germany or Italy?
No, this is a trick question, and I know that the answer surprisingly is Italy.
There are elections in Germany, or there are new chancellors, so it's got to be, France is all over the place, so it's got to be Italy, because there was no elections in Italy.
Which of these 3 European stock indices outperformed its peers in 2025? The DAX, the CAC, or the FTSE 100?
I'm pretty sure that the DAX has outperformed this year, narrowly ahead of the FTSE, with the CAC coming in 3rd place.
Definitely not the FTSE. It's the DAX, isn't it? Because, yeah, I think it's the DAX.